just like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife, just like a knife. Ow. May commercial.
Ay na, login ang mo-joke dito.
Ay, wala pangalan. May pangalan, wala. Wala pangalan. Parang wala pangalan. Hakit lang. Parang may pangalan ka.
Malapit na.
Malapit. Ay, may kaunti. May kaunti pala pangalan. Ay, ayaw kong uminom ng beer. Nagkakamali ng pangalan ng aking utot. Merry Christmas to all and to all my neighbor from the Bar 62 from here in New Zealand. Everybody, hi!
Hello!
Hi, hello! Hello! Good evening to all of you guys.
Hello!
Hello! Hi!
Merry Christmas!
Sorry, I cannot start to speak in English. Okay. So, I just want you to ask about the Christmas about in New Zealand.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh, the cameraman was sitting there. Just can you send that on the
Oh, sweet,
camera, please?
bro. Oh, sweet, bro.
I have a question to
Yeah.
our televiewers.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Question now.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the Philippines about Christmas in New Zealand?
The Christmas in New Zealand is very beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
But the fucking all everybody, co-workers before is coming. Everybody happy. Oh, mabuhay Philippines.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much by the Philippines. So, my question now is from the Colombia.
Yeah. Miss Colombia. Miss Colombia. Mr. Colombia.
Mr. Colombia, how can you explain about the Christmas Philippines in the New Zealand?
Okay, yeah. You know what it is? I just think, Mrs. from Colombia. So, you know, just Colombia is just a major. You know that? And just one thing, our friend, you know, I am Manny Pacquiao.
Rock to the world!
Hello, Philippines.
Go Philippines.
Go Philippines!
Just one thing to our friend, Melir Makalalad, and you know,
Dab.
Aldab?
uh,
Yaya Dab?
I'm just a fan of that guy.
How are you? Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Colombia.
Yeah.
So, the winner now is Mr. Colombia! Sorry. Excuse me, I apologize. But the winner is Mr. Philippines! Back to the world!
Nakarecord siya.
Can't you see this world change? Oh, it's all I ask. Oh, the kindness in the night. Please don't leave me behind.
Ay, amin. Ako hindi marunong.
No one tell me love is blind.
Aray, ako hindi masyadong
It's all I ask.
magaling mag-English.
And that is all.
Pero natagalan ko yung isang taon. Mas gusto naman tayo.
I've been searching so
Kaya
long.
gusto ko may kasama eh.
I've been searching for love. It's all I am. A little sadness when you go. Maybe you need me. Oh, please don't pretend. It's all I am. And that is all. All spread my wings. But I just can't fly. As a stream of pearls, pretty girls go sailing by. Oh, and
have sailed a million so that glory ocean deep.
Nandun tayo pumunta sa'yo.
When upon a lover
Tayo ay
she's fallen, and as I was asleep,
pero okay naman.
I lost love my key.
Kahit yung ating
Oh,
kapatid ay
Shanti.
hindi ko masasabi lahat. Pero talagang nadan yung nakukuha.
Hello? Merry Christmas!
Makakakuha din tayo ng